Classes and objects are the foundation to any object-oriented programming language, especially Java. A class is a blueprint used to create objects. An object is an instance of the class. My name is Razvan Zank and I'm gonna help you understand these fundamental concepts using a simple real-life analogy. Imagine we are ready to start building our dream house. The first step is to find an architect who can build the house's blueprint based on our specifications. 2 floors, 4 bedrooms, 1 living room, 2 bathrooms, and 1 kitchen. Hit the like button if you think this house is nice. The blueprint designed by the architect is exactly like a class in Java. The next step in building our new home is to hire a construction team who can build the house based on our specifications. The finalized house will look exactly the same as our blueprint. Nothing more, nothing less. This means that the house is an instance of the architect's blueprint. Just like in Java, an object is an instance of a class. Leave a comment if you think this example makes sense or if you can find other real-life analogies. Now we have a blueprint and a house. What if a friend wants a house just like ours? Does he also need to go to the architect to design him the same blueprint just like ours? No, we can help him by giving him our blueprint. As a matter of fact, we could build an entire neighborhood of identical houses. If you're interested in seeing some Java code, click on the link in the description which will take you to my Medium article. Don't forget to follow.